Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be upgrading our high beam headlights. Now I already went ahead and did the low beams with some new LEDs, the ones on the outsides here, but I found out that the high beams can actually take the same type of bulb. So today we're going to go ahead and be replacing these up here with some of these nice bright LEDs. So let's go ahead and get them installed. Alrighty, so the process for this install is going to be pretty much the same as the other lights. I'll be leaving a link in the description below if you want to check that video out as well and do both of these at the same time. If you want to, just go ahead and order 2 sets of them. But yeah, let's get these installed. This time for the right side, we don't have to worry about moving any of our tanks. We can just go ahead and take this cap off right here. Then we're going to go ahead and find the light in the housing here, and then these ones are actually going to turn inwards that way towards the engine, and then you'll be able to pull them out of the housing to change. Alrighty, so I did a quick test there just to make sure everything was working, and it looks like it was, so let's just wait a little bit till it gets darker and see what these things really look like. And here's a quick view of what they look like inside the car at night. There's with just the low beams and then the high beam on. I've got to say, that looks pretty bright. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or the lights, please let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below for some of these lights and also for the low beam headlight install if you want to go ahead and see how that's done as well. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.